Assalamu alaikum, grade 2. How are you today? It's Miss Saja. We're going to continue our lesson about similarities and differences between animals. Unit 2, animals and their environment. Today we will learn to differentiate between the food diet of animals. What are these animals doing? Let's have a look at this first picture. So we have an animal and it has something in front of it. What is it doing? Let's look at this next animal. What is the name of this animal and what is it doing? And let's have a look at this third picture. What's the name of this animal and what is it doing? Let's go back to the first picture. This is a picture of a lion. This lion is eating. What is it eating? It's eating meat. This second picture is a picture of a cow. What is the cow doing? It's eating. What is it eating? It is eating grass. So it's eating grass. What is this animal called? This is called a bird. And these are grains. What is the bird doing? The bird is eating grains. So the lion is eating meat. Please repeat after me. Meat. The cow is eating grass. Repeat after me. Say grass. And the bird is eating grains. Repeat after me. Say grains. So, what is this type of food called? What is this called? Do you know? This is called meat. Can you say meat? Repeat after me. Meat. Let's look at this next picture. What are these? These are plants. Plants are also called herbs. So these are plants. This type of food is called plants. Repeat after me. Say plants or say herbs. What is this type of food? These are called grains. Now you might see we have different types of grains. Maybe you know the popcorn, you know the rice. All these are called grains. Repeat after me. Say grains. So an animal that eats meat, like the lion and the tiger, they are called carnivores. So animals that eat meat, like the lion and the tiger, are called carnivores. Repeat after me. Carnivores. Carnivores. Please repeat after me one more time. Carnivores. So carnivores are animals that eat meat. Let's look at the next picture. What's this? These are plants or they are herbs. So animals that eat plants or herbs, for example, are the cow and the sheep. So these animals, they eat herbs. They are called herbivores. Repeat after me. Herbivores. One more time. Herbivores. One more time. Herbivores. Herbivores. So animals that eat plants or herbs, they are called herbivores. What is this picture showing us? These are grains. So these are grains. Examples of animals that eat grains include pigeons, and this is a sparrow. It's a type of bird. It's called a sparrow. So pigeons and sparrows. So birds eat grains. They are known as granivores. Can you say granivores? Repeat after me. granivores, granivores. So animals that eat a lot of grains are called granivores. Let's read together. Some animals do not have the same food. So some are carnivores, herbivores, and granivores. So let's read it one more time. Some animals do not have the same food. So some are carnivores, herbivores, and granivores. Let's read it one more time. Some animals do not have the same food. Carnivores, herbivores, and granivores. Let's read it one more time. Repeat after me. Some animals do not have the same food. Carnivores, herbivores, granivores. Excellent job. See you next time.